Do these Sylvania 60W bug lights really work? Let's find out. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will review the Sylvania Bug Light. I keep these in the carport because I don't like bugs flying around, dropping all over my car. And I usually only put one bug light in, even though I have two light fixtures. I just don't need a light fixture over my car. I just need one so that when I get out of the car at night or when company comes up that we can see to get to the door. The package says that this lasts for 7 years, and of course it has a disclaimer. The disclaimer is that it's 7 years based on normal household uses in accordance with package and bulb directions, based on 3 hours average use per day, 7 days per week, so 21 hours a week. Well, who's going to use a bug light for 3 hours a day? I'm putting this in my carport on September the 3rd at 7:30 p.m. I bought it at Lowe's in August. I'm going to see how long this bulb lasts. It's September the 3rd and I just put the bug light in. I'm going to see if it does indeed detract bugs and how long it lasts. I don't put one in the other one because it's right over my car and I don't need that over my car. I don't need bugs falling and doing their business on my car. This is my carport with the bug lights off. This is the carport with both of the bug lights on. It's fairly well illuminated for me to do what I need to do in this area. It's April 2018 and these bulbs are still going strong. These bulbs are left on every night, all night long, and haven't burned out yet. I'm quite pleased with their performance. Let me cut the lights off and show what it looks like dark out here. Pretty dark. Can you hear the rain? So even though they're yellow, they give off quite a bit of light. Cut them off again. That's a little solar powered light that you see in the middle there. Show you the other side. They're quite bright. Very happy with them. So far I'm quite pleased with the performance of these bulbs. They're supposed to last 3 hours on a day and use for 7 days, so that's supposed to give you 21 hours per week. And so using that estimation that they last 7 years, it's going to give a total of 7,644 hours. By my calculations, I'm leaving them on about 8 hours a day or night. So depending on how you do your math, I've either used the first bulb for 1,568 hours or 1,736 hours. Using the higher figure, the bulbs should last me about 4.4 years. So if I don't have to change a light bulb for over 4 years, I'm going to be super, super happy. And no bugs on my car, my carport, I'm ecstatic. This bug light obviously does not work. See all the spider webs on the side of the house. Thank you for watching my review of the Sylvania Bug Light. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have a better product that I should try. If appropriate, share the video with someone. And until next time, take care. Bye.